रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name is Putri Bai. His father Karamchand Gandhi was Chief Minister of Porbandar. He is greatest freedom fighter. He also called the father of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movements to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15th August 1947. This great leader of our country died on 13th January 1948. People from all the religions loved and respected him. Thank you.
राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति।
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mera Tepe of class 6th. As we all know, today is October 2, Gandhi Jayanti, birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as Bapu. He is some father of a nation. So there are many interesting facts to say about Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on October 2nd, 1869 as the son of Karamchand Gandhi and Putali Bai. In 1883, at the age of 14, he married Kasturba. Soon after the death of his father, Gandhiji left for England to study law in 1888. After completing law, he started practicing as a lawyer in South Africa. In 1901, he returned to India to attend Indian National Congress. Even after returning to South Africa, he continued to fight for the rights of South African Indians through non-cooperation and non-violence. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915, where he receives a hero's welcome. In 1920, he called for a period of non-cooperation in India, but he stayed away from politics. In 1931, Gandhiji started the Dandi March, planning to break salt law. He was arrested for breaking salt law. He organized several satyagrahas during this period and was arrested several times. Finally, in 1947, August 15, India was declared independent, but Pakistan got separated. On January 30, 1948, Gandhiji was assassinated by Naudaram Vinayak goddess. Through his life came to an end and there. His teaching still continues in your minds and soul. Jai Hind.
Teachers, principal and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on every year. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated every year. 2nd October, all over the country. This day celebrated of birthday anniversary of the father of nation. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We are called Mahatma and Bapuji. Bapuji was born on 2nd October 1869. Bapuji born in a small town in Porbandar in Gujarat. Studied in UK and practiced law in South Africa. Under his leadership, India in Independence Day, 15th August 1947. He is living in simplicity life. His favorite song, Raghuvati Raghava Rajaram. Bapuji was environmental leader and leadership in India. Freedom of struggler. I love my Bapuji. Jai Hind. Thank you. Announcement.
Sitaram.
Hi everyone, I am Fatima Nayan, 7th standard student of Mubarak English School, Manjeri. As we all know that today is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. October 2nd is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year. Gandhi was the leader of Indian independence movements. International Non-Violence Day is observed on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi was born on 1869 October 2nd as the son of Putali Bai and Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar in Gujarat. Now let us discuss some questions about him. I will share you some questions. You can find its answers. My first question is, what is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi during his childhood? What is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi during his childhood? The nickname of Mahatma Gandhi during his childhood is Manu or Monia. Manu or Monia is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi. My second question is, who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? The question is once more, who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? Who gave the title? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi. My third question is, what was the slogan raised by Mahatma Gandhi in association with Quit India movement? What was the slogan raised by Mahatma Gandhi in association with Quit India movement? It is a famous slogan. Yes, that slogan is do or die. Do or die is the famous slogan raised by Mahatma Gandhi in association with Quit India movement. My fourth question is, in which language Mahatma Gandhi wrote his autobiography My Experiments with Truth? The question is once more, in which language Mahatma Gandhi wrote his autobiography My Experiments with Truth? Yes, he wrote his autobiography in Gujarati language. My fifth question is, which is the symbol of Swachh Bharat mission? Which is the symbol of Swachh Bharat Mission? Which is that symbol? Yes, the symbol of Swachh Bharat Mission is Gandhi's spectacles. Gandhi's spectacles is the symbol of Swachh Bharat Mission. It is time to move to the next question. My question is, how many times Gandhi visited Kerala? How many times Gandhi visited Kerala? Gandhi visited Kerala for 5 times. So the answer is 5. My next question is, how many times Gandhi nominated for Nobel Prize of Peace? Yes, Gandhi nominated 5 times for Nobel Prize. So let us move to the next question. My question is, during Gandhi's visit to Malabar, a little girl donated all her ornaments to Gandhi. Who is that little girl? Question is once more. During Gandhi's visit to Malabar, a little girl donated all her ornaments to Gandhi. Who is that little girl? Her name is Kaumudi. Kaumudi, the little girl, donated all her ornaments to Gandhi during Gandhi's visit to Malabar. My next question is, Gandhiji's birth, Gandhiji's death and India's Independence Day is associated with one day. Which is that day? I will explain you that question. Gandhi's born day, Gandhi's death day and India's Independence Day is associated with one day. We all know that there is 7 days in a week. In that 7 days, one day is the answer. Which is that day is my question. The answer is Friday. Gandhi born on a Friday, Gandhi dead on a Friday and India got its independence on a Friday. So the answer is Friday. And my last question is here. It is very simple question. When Gandhi assassinated and by whom? I repeat, when Gandhi assassinated and by whom? When Gandhi assassinated? Yes, Gandhi was dead on 1948 January 30 by the shot of Nathuram Vinayak Godse. Godse murdered Gandhi. Gandhi always gave messages to others. Be the change you wish to see the world. Be the change you wish to see the world. Let us be that change. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Nijwa M from 58. Gandhiji was born on October 2nd and we celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti as an honor to the father of our nation. Now, on this auspicious day, I would like to share a small story from his life. Mohandas wanted to see the drama of Harishchandra with his father. His father was not willing to take because he was quite busy with his work. So Mohandas asked his father whether he could go for the drama with his friends. His father gave him permission to go. In the drama, King Harishchandra loses his kingdom, wife and son in order to uphold truth in his life. The last scene brings tears to everyone's eyes. This story made a deep impression on the life of Mohandas. He wishes with all his mind that he too, like Harishchandra, could have the strength to face all kinds of challenges in the path of truth. After this incident, Gandhiji never said a lie throughout his life. Hope you all like my story. Thank you.
सीता